Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna and today we are testing out and reviewing the brand new Yealink BH74 UC Bluetooth headset. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test, and comment below what you want to see us test out next. Like I said, this headset is very new, so I haven't even seen it yet, and you're going to get my first impression as we open it. So off the bat, you get a quick start guide for the headset, which looks pretty straightforward since it is Bluetooth. You're just going to connect to Bluetooth, and if you'd like, you can also use the Yealink mobile app to help manage your device. You also then get a longer quick start guide with more details. And I'm loving this case. In the past, I think I've gotten some that were in bags. So I like that there's some extra durability. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. I really like how there's storage pouches on the side to hold your charging cord and dongle. Here it looks like we have a USB-C charging cord and then a USB-A and USB-C dongle. I love that they give you both options, and the fact that you can press them together, it makes it a little easier to keep track of. Now moving on to the headset. Ooh, wow. I cannot emphasize enough how soft these ear cushions are. I mean, it says that they're memory foam, but it feels like feather light memory foam. I just made that up, but it is the softest memory foam I have ever felt. Your mic does have a limited field of rotation, so it's going to be optimized to wear on your right side. And as always, the headband is adjustable. Taking a look at the controls on the mic boom, you're going to have a mute button. On the side, you have volume up, volume down. In between, that's play and pause. Your charging port, of course. Then you have your Bluetooth toggle and power switch. And then this top button above it will be your Teams/voice assistant button. Moving on to the other side, you do have an ANC control. And then the big button in the center will be your call control and also busy light. So clearly it looks and feels really nice, but let's talk about some features because this headset is packed with noise canceling technology. It actually has 4 microphones, so there's 2 in the front that pick up your voice and 2 in the back that pick up your surrounding. It also comes with 32 hours of talk time, 65 hours of music time, and it does have a 5-minute fast charge feature. This headset is powered by Acoustic Shield Technology 3.0, which is the most advanced voice isolation algorithm that Yealink has made. It uses those 4 premium microphones to eliminate all of the background distractions, so that way no matter where you are, you can still be heard. I also do want to point out that the ear cushions move up and down like this, and they also move side to side. So I feel like no matter what head size or shape you have, this would still be a really comfortable model. Now let's see how it works when we put it to the test. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the headset to my laptop. I used the USB-C connection, and let's just jump on in and see how this headset would sound in a busy call center. So this is what it would sound like if I was in a call center, no headset. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if I was using this headset in a busy call center. Next up, this is how it would sound if I was at home working and dogs were barking. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting with dogs barking in the background. Okay, I just listened to the audio back and there was almost a slight bit of an echo, but it definitely canceled out the noise, especially with how loud it was in person. So I'm really impressed with how this headset performed. I think its standout feature for me though has to be the design. It is really, really comfortable and lightweight. And traditionally, for it to be this padded, it would usually have a bit more weight to it. So I think that this would be a really great option if you're going to be wearing a headset for really long hours and want to be comfortable. Not to mention the design is just super sleek and beautiful like Yealink always does. So if you have any questions about this headset or want to learn more, definitely let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. We'll see you next time. Bye.